us start Unit 2 NCERT Marigold Class 5 Teamwork. This is video number 2. In video number 1, we have done central idea and poem recitation. If you have not seen that video, link you will find in I button above and also in description box. So you can see that video, then you can come to this video. In this video, we will have exercise of this poem. So let us start. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. If nobody passes the ball in a basket game, then you can't shoot. If nobody passes the ball in a basket game, then you can't shoot. Basketball is a team game where one uh, player passes the ball to another, another to another, then they shoot the ball in a basket. If nobody passes the ball, then you can't shoot. Two, in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then the race can't go on. In relay race, we have to pass the baton. One player passes baton to another, another passes to another. If nobody will pass, then race can't go on. Think and write. Name the team members needed for the following. There are certain activities. We have to write the members required for the activity. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches. Yes, we need umpire and several other, but these are the main. To make a film, we need producers, directors, actors, cameramen. Okay. Yes, there are some more members, story writer and art director, many singers, but these are the mains. To run a good school, we need teachers, principals, students. Yes, we need building, we need boards, we need office staff, but these are the main. To run a restaurant, we need chefs who can make the food, finance manager who can manage the restaurant, and waiters who can serve the food. Of course, then customer and the other things required for the completing the restaurant. Complete the sets of rhyming words. One has been done for you. There are some words given: team, plus, done, hoop, shoot, goal, joy. And like rhyming word for team, beam. Team, beam. What are the rhyming words? The words with which ending with similar sound. Plus, bus, plus, bus. Done, gun, done, gun. Listen carefully. I have not said the spelling ends with the same alphabets. I said the word ends with similar sound. So you can see team, beam, they are ending with am, similar alphabets, similar sound. Plus, bus ending with us, similar alphabet, similar sound. But in done, gun, ending with ne, but sound same. So in rhyming word, we have similar sounds rather than similar alphabets. Hoop, scoop, hoop, scoop. Here, op, shoot, root, goal, pole. Again, ending with different alphabet but similar sound. Joy, boy, joy, boy. So they can end with similar alphabets or different alphabets, but rhyming word will always end with similar sound. How? Read the poem. For want of a nail. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. The For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Okay, what they wanted to have a nail for fitting the shoe of horse, but they don't have the nail. So what happened? The shoe lost. When the shoe is lost, means then horse cannot run. If horse cannot run, means rider can't sit on that. If rider is not there, battle will lost. If battle will lost, means kingdom will lost. And why all this happen? Because just of a nail. Okay. So now form questions for the answer given in the speech bubble. Okay. There are some speech bubbles. We have to form questions for the answer given. So answer is the shoe was lost because of the nail. The shoe was lost because of the nail. What could be the question? Why was shoe lost? Next speech bubble. The kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. The kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Why was kingdom lost? Question is why was kingdom lost? You can see answers are given in past tenses, so we are making questions in past tenses. Okay. Next question. The battle was lost because there was no rider. The battle was lost because there was no rider. What can be the question? Why was battle lost? Why was battle lost? Okay. Now, now make three more questions and answer from the poem Teamwork. Now we have three more speech bubbles. We have to make questions and answer ourselves. So, what can teamwork do? What can a teamwork do? Teamwork can make our dream work. Teamwork can make our dream work. What can we share with team? What can we share with team? So answer will be we can share joy with team. Joy of winning. We can share joy with team. Should a team put its eyes? A team should put its eyes on a common goal. Team should put its eyes on a common goal. Now, picture and composition. In picture and composition, we will have a picture and we have to write some sentences by seeing, observing the picture. See the picture. Here some activity is going on. What is the activity? A house is built by several members. Because making a house needs a several specialist person, specialist labor, specialist constructor. Okay, so here you can see different. So you can see electrician, you can see carpenter, you can see mason and labor. So these are some person who is working for making this house. Let us see. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using word clues given in the box. So here are some word clues and questions. We have to see the picture and put the answer here. Okay. Clues are plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, gardener. Here you can see some specific professionals are there. Their names are written. We have to answer. Who is laying the bricks? Who is laying the bricks? So laying bricks is work of mason. A mason is laying the bricks. A mason is laying the bricks. Who is holding the ladder? The laborer is holding the ladder. The laborer is holding the ladder. Who is the man on the ladder? You can see who is the man on the ladder? Yes, it is the electrician standing on the ladder, or it is an electrician standing on the ladder. You can write either way. Who is making the door? The carpenter is making the door. Who is making the door? The carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? The painter is painting the wall. Painter is painting the walls. Let us talk. In a group of five to discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like to do in group. Now prepare a list as shown in there. Things I like doing alone: watching TV, playing video game, listening to music. Things I like doing in a group: playing cricket, watching movies in a theater, shopping. So these are some activities written for you. You can write me in comment box what are the activity you would like to do all alone and what are the activity you do with your friends. Okay. In your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? My mother decides what shall be cooked. My father decides. My pocket money, I decide. Dress for my birthday, we decide. The timing for every member to watch the television. Okay. So you can also write me in comment box what are the activity you decide at your home. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are found by joining two words. One is done for you. Find the more words. You can see sometime. So the word some plus time, these two words are joined and you can find these word here. Here you can see everyone. Every plus one. Two words are there. Find it. Okay, here it is. Every one. Next is basketball. Basket plus ball. Two words are there. Basket plus ball. Where it is? It is here. Basket plus ball. Now nobody. Nobody. No plus body. Teamwork. Team plus work. Okay. So here it is. Now batten. Batten. Okay. This is exercise for you. You have to write a poem by using rhyming words and continue this poem and you can send me in comment box. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.